I'm sitting here by the door just kind of waiting. It's already past closing time here, and we've got a semi truck that is called and said that he's running just a little bit late, and he's bringing us something that's actually pretty cool. Something we don't get to see. We don't sell a lot of them. A lot of people don't get to see one, but we're going to show you here in just a little bit. All right, so I told you it was a good one. This is a machine that a lot of people don't get to see. Truck's getting the neck off the trailer right now, but you ready to see it? All right, here she is. Guys, this is a Krone Big M. This is the biggest and the baddest when you start talking swathers. We got one of these big boys sitting here if you want to take a look at it. This machine's going to be getting PDI'd and getting ready to go, and then we're going to probably deliver it here, probably within a month. It's going to get delivered. It's got some stuff that's going to go on to it, but like I said, guys, you don't get to see one very often. Krone's Big M, 450 horsepower. I believe this one's a 39 foot, it's either, it might be 34, I don't honestly know the cut width, but massive self-propelled swather. Just to kind of give you an idea, guys, I'm 6'4", and she's big. But cool machine if you don't get to see one very often. We're gonna have some more videos on her here in just a little bit, but thought you'd like to see it sitting on the truck. Krone Big M.
If you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe.